I'm here to talk about Windows 10. This is a new computer. Let's say you want to customize a desktop. And what I typically do is I use the right clicker a lot. So I right click in here and I left click on Personalize. You can do a lot of things here. The background here is neutral. I could go here, find a picture here. I like this, that, and you find one that you like. Or you could browse in your photos for one. So I'm going to choose this. Choose a fit, and I'm going to say fill. You could tile it. That looks kind of weird. It depends on what the picture is, but I'm just going to say fill. And you can go into here. I'm going to go into colors. You could have an accent color of red. That's when you click on your tools here. Ooh, too bright. And then I prefer something a little more subtle. It depends on your eyes, what you want for contrast. I click on the start. It shows that there, and then I can, the blue, as I said, you can have a lot of fun. That's the traditional blue, okay? And then you can make some things transparent here. You can turn it off. You have a switch there. I prefer it this way. A lot of the defaults are the best, okay? Lock screen. And what it is here, when the screen is locked, it could show something different there. You could do a picture. You could do a slideshow, or what I could do here, I could add pictures to the slideshow, like your friends, your family, your children, your pets, your hobbies. And if I go into picture here, I can actually browse, and it's going into my pictures here. So let's say I want to put a picture from a vacation or a trip, and I'm in my pictures here. It goes right into there, and I'm just going to go into here, and then I was at a house or something like that, and let's say this is my alma mater. I say okay, and that is done. Okay, next thing here, I scroll down here, choose apps to show quick status. Mail, I could choose my mail there, and then these are things here, store, and we go to the next one, themes here. I can go into mouse pointer settings. I tend to leave them the way they really are. And so you have pointer options here. You can slow it down. You can make it faster. You can do here, you could hide pointer while typing. If I want to leave it on, I could do that. Buttons there. You could change things here. Wheel, when it scrolls there. I tend to use defaults, but if you have a handicap or you have a little bit of arthritis, this is a great feature. And then we go into the start, and again you can say show more tiles. And if you ever want to do it, that shows you the double column instead of the single column. Some of us like that better. Show suggestions here, show the most used apps. That goes at the top. Like as I said, I just installed, but these are the most popular ones that I've been using the past 2 days. And you start full screen. What this is, I don't have it on that much, but when I want to customize things, I will turn this on where it will fill the entire screen. We're going to see that in a second here. And all I have to do is click the thing here. So I have my new desktop here. I click on the start. It's filled here. What it is here, you can go into here, move your tiles around. For example, let's say I want to put this Photoshop inside here. I can click into here. I can move this. I went into iCloud. That's for my thing here. I don't need that. I'll go back into here. I want to shrink the size. I right click. I say resize. I can make it small. I don't use it that much. Settings. I can right click here. Resize small. So I can pull that up. I can pull this over here. You can also create groups. Like let's say I'm doing a lot of stuff with Adobe, and I want to add things here. I click and I drag over to here. See that blue bar there? This allows me to name it. I put my mouse here. I name the group. I am going to call it Adobe Suite. So I have that. And if I want to put this above my games, I click here in the title above, bring it there. And I want this over to the left here. And if I want to add other things into here, I click on start. Oops. And then I have to expand this group here. It shows different things here. For example, let's say I want to add my Adobe Acrobat. I right click, I say pin to start. It's showing it down here. I move it up to here. But if I click it here, or I hit the escape key, it's gone. I want to get this back to the small thing in here. I just go into Personalize, and I go into the start thing here, and I'm going to shut this off, because I'm thinking of the way I've done things with Office when I was using 2007. I have all my apps here. You can do the groups and stuff in this area here. I can pull it over to here. I've gotten good at this. However, if you're doing this for the first time, you might prefer doing it this way. This is a very basic introduction to Windows 10. The last thing I will say, you've got Cortana. You can ask her questions. If you have a microphone, you could speak into it. It'll show a microphone there if it has it hooked up. And if I want to do something here, I want to see the control panel. And I just say control panel. I don't have to keep looking. And so it's going to show it as the best match. It also goes into documents and other things here. I click there. I have it. Good luck using Windows 10. You're definitely going to enjoy it.